Okay, let's dive in. Think about this for a second. Why does your Netflix sometimes, buffer like crazy, especially when everyone's online? But back in the day, that old cable box your grandparents had, rock solid, always.
Yeah, it seems weird, right? But it boils down to the completely different ways that video actually gets to your screen. Different technologies, different highways almost.
So we're talking OTT, traditional cable, and IPTV. Those are the big three.
Those are the main contenders, yeah.
Yeah.
Over-the-top cable and Internet Protocol TV. And understanding them helps explain, well, why you pay what you pay and why this whole unbundling thing might actually be leading back to, well, rebundling.
Okay, let's start with the one we probably all use most. OTT, Netflix, Disney plus Hulu.
Right, over the top. It's called that because it just rides on top of your existing internet connection. It uses the public internet.
Like a public highway system, anyone can use it.
Exactly. And that's its strength and weakness. Huge scale, incredible flexibility you can watch anywhere. But the provider, like Netflix, they don't control the road itself, especially that last bit to your house.
So traffic jams. If my neighbor's downloading a massive game, my stream might suffer.
Precisely. Network congestion. It leads to buffering. The quality is a variable. It's built for good enough most of the time, not guaranteed perfection.
Okay, so if OTT is the public highway, what was traditional cable?
Ah, cable. That was more like a private train system. A totally closed network, usually coaxial cables, carrying radio frequency signals, RF.
Completely separate from the internet chaos.
Totally separate. And because it was closed and managed end-to-end, they could guarantee the quality of service. QoS. That's why it was so stable.
But oh, the user experience.
Yeah.
No pausing live TV, stuck with their schedule, their box.
Terrible flexibility, yeah. Zero mobility.
Yeah.
It worked reliably, but that's about it. Consumers voted with their feet for flexibility, clearly.
Which brings us to ITTV, Internet Protocol TV. This sounds like it should be the best of both. It uses the Internet Protocol.
It does use IP, yes, but, and this is the key difference, it runs on a private managed network, usually from your telco, your internet provider.
So not the public internet highway, more like a private toll road.
That's a great analogy, a private high-speed toll road. The telco owns the infrastructure, the road itself.
And how do they guarantee the quality, stop the buffering?
They control the traffic. They use network magic, things like VLANs maybe, to prioritize the IPTV data packets. It's like giving the TV signal its own dedicated express lane, bypassing all the regular internet traffic.
Ah, okay. So you get internet-style features like on-demand, but with cable-like reliability.
That's the goal, yes. Buffer-free reliability meets modern features.
This sounds crucial for live events. You mentioned delivery methods, Unicast, Multicast. How does that play in?
Right. So when you stream Netflix, that's typically unicast, one-to-one.
Yeah.
If 10 million people watch Stranger Things, that's literally 10 million separate streams from Netflix's servers.
Wow. Sounds inefficient for live stuff.
Hugely inefficient and costly for live events, yeah. Traditional cable, just broadcast everything, everywhere, whether you watched or not.
Also not very efficient.
No. But IPTV, for live TV, often uses multicast. This is clever. For something massive like the World Cup final.
Where millions tune in at the exact same second.
Exactly. The provider sends one single stream onto their managed network. Then the smart routers within their network only copy that stream down the line to the homes that are actually tuned in to that channel.
So instead of 10 million streams crashing the system,
It's just one efficient stream being smartly distributed. That's a massive advantage for delivering high-quality, buffer-free live sports or events. It solves the scaling problem OTT struggles with for live content.
But as we said, OTT kind of won the first round. Flexibility trumped guaranteed quality for many people.
It did. People valued choice and being able to watch anywhere on any device, more than perfect picture stability tethered to one box.
So where does that leave IPTV now? Is it just better tech that lost?
Not exactly lost. It became a strategic tool, a defensive weapon for the telcos. Think about it. Do they usually sell you just IPTV?
No, it's always bundled. Internet plus TV. Sometimes mobile, too.
Exactly. It's about the bundle. They spend billions building fiber networks. They need to make that money back, increase the average revenue per user ARPU. IPTV helps create a sticky bundle.
Sticky meaning harder to leave.
Much harder. If your internet, TV, and maybe mobile are all tied together with maybe a discount, switching becomes a bigger hassle. It reduces churn customers leaving and protects their most profitable product, the broadband internet connection.
Okay, so unbundling gave us all this choice. Netflix, Disney, Max, Paramount. So many apps, so many bills. But now
Now we're seeing the great rebundling.
Mm.
All that fragmentation is annoying. The new battleground isn't just content, it's aggregation,
Pulling it all together.
putting it all together. The winners will likely be the platforms, maybe the telcos using IPTV bundles, maybe tech giants like Apple or Amazon with their channels concept, whoever can give you one simple interface, one bill.
And crucially, really good search and recommendations to navigate all that content.
Powered by AI, yeah. Making sense of the chaos.
So, quick summary then. OTT think Netflix gives you ultimate flexibility and choice using the public internet, but you trade guaranteed quality.
Right. Cable was the opposite.
Yeah.
Perfect reliability, zero flexibility, closed network.
And IPTV uses a private, managed IP network. It offers guaranteed quality like cable with modern features, but its main business role now is defending the telco bundle and boosting broadband profits.
That covers the core trade-offs, yeah.
So the final thought here. It feels like the game has changed again. It's not just about who has the best shows anymore, is it?
No, I don't think it is, ultimately.
Certainly.
Owning the content is still important, obviously, but maybe not the most important thing.
In this world of just endless choice, endless streaming services, maybe the most valuable thing now isn't the content itself. Maybe it's curation, someone making it easy for you to find what you want.
Making sense of the overwhelming options, that drive for simplicity, for a better user experience.
That feels like the real core of the new streaming battle. Who owns your experience?